Hi, welcome to Draw Tip Tuesday. My name is Koos Koenen and I love drawing. And on this channel, I share whatever I learn on my creative journey, and hopefully it inspires you on yours. And today I want to address a question that I often get on Instagram when I post a drawing. So usually I post a drawing of something that I drew that day. And often someone will ask me, how long did that take you? And I understand why people want to know it, because sometimes a drawing looks very intricate or as if there's a lot of work to it. And sometimes, yes, it takes me an hour, but other times I have just 15 minutes and that's it. So I will share a few drawings from my archive, and I've added the time that it took me to make the drawing so that you hopefully get a little bit of an idea about how much time I spend when I draw. One of the main reasons why I want to share this today with you is that so many people think they need a ton of time to make art. Like, I need at least a couple of hours and you need to spread out all my art materials on the table. I need to set my mind to it and then I can make art, which of course then creates a very high threshold to actually start. And then you might not do it at all. While if you try it and you set your timer for 15 minutes or 20 minutes and you just grab any kind of tool, you will see how much you can get done in a short amount of time. I hear this so often in my workshops and also on my online live Zoom workshops. I set a timer for our assignments because we have limited time in these classes. And so often people respond in the show and tell part of the mini workshops, wow, I had no idea I could get so much done in such a short amount of time. So if you need an assignment today, I say grab your sketchbook, set a timer for 20 minutes, grab a pen, and don't think about it too much. No overthinking, just drawing. Draw anything that you see right in front of you. Take those 20 minutes and see how much you get done. Have a good time doing it. Enjoy the process, wonky and all. And of course, I'm mentioning the mini workshops that I do monthly online on Zoom. You can sign up. I'll share the link below this video. Bye!